Hi guys, Sandy here, and today I am sharing with you my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for the month of October. Now this kit is a little big, and I am totally okay with not killing this kit because my photos, this is what I'm working on, my photos of all of these hundreds and hundreds of airplanes that were at the Castle Air Museum in Atwater, California. So as you guys know, I scrapbook a lot of airplanes, so if I don't kill all this stuff, totally cool, totally cool. Let me get, scissors, okay. Let me get down to it and show you guys what I am using. So I'm gonna start with the big stuff. I do have this Hey Mr. My Mind's Eye chipboard sheet. There are definitely some things I want to use. I want to bring in the copper color a little bit. Definitely want to use this paper airplane and maybe this geotag and arrows. So there's definitely bits on here that I will want to use. Things like the dogs or the tools, not going to happen, but like I said, I want to use some things out of there. I also have the Getaway 12 by 12 sticker sheet. As you guys can see, I've used some of it already, but you know, there it is. And this isn't even all my travel airplane stuff, you guys. I had to stop pulling stuff because it was getting a little ridiculous. I have this 12 by 12 sticker sheet, Go See Explore. Like it has a cruise ship and the Eiffel Tower and stuff like that. So I know that this stuff is not happening in the layouts that I'll be creating this month. But there's enough on the sticker sheet that I felt like it was good for me. So let's get that out of the way as well. Okay. I also have this sticker sheet. This came in my Love from Lizzie card kit, and I'm not exactly sure which like brand this is. It comes unbranded. So as you can see, I've used some of that, but we're going to make that happen as well. Now, as you know, I have been scrapping airplane videos, so I have a lot of bits and pieces. So I have cut aparts and more cut aparts and pieces of papers that I have used in the past. So like this ripped one, like these will definitely be in my kit as well because no sense not using those. And then I have a bunch of paper, and I do mean a bunch. I seriously doubt I can keep up this mojo that I've had going on since about July, where I've just been cranking out the layouts. Now I have a lot of paper in here, so fingers crossed it still goes, but who knows if it will. So I have lots of Pink Fresh out and about, and it doesn't matter to me which side of those I use. I'm cool with any of them. I have this Close to My Heart paper. That is just an extra little sheet that I thought would go well. I have this paper from We Are Memory Keepers, and it's definitely not for this floral on this side. It's definitely for the red here. I have my favorite paper from Horizon, which is the airplane paper. On the back is this gorgeous pink. Another scrap. Now, this paper came from a paper pad from Hobby Lobby. I've got a couple of those sheets in there. Another cut up piece. Explore Your World from Paper House. This is that My Mind's Eye Hey Mr. collection. Now these are all from the paper pad from Hobby Lobby. Another pink paisley Turn the Page. It's the stripe on the back, but it's the paper airplanes, you guys. You know that has my heart. Now these are older American crafts, and they are just kind of like bolder colors. More paper airplanes. This is Teacher's Pet by Echo Park, and it is old. It is from 2015. Now here we have these kind of airplanes, and this is Old World Traveler. Also has these stamps on the back. I have some paper from Passport, and I don't know if I'm going to use this or cut it apart, or maybe cut out some fun things and then use the rest back here. Also have this from Getaway. Here's some more from Passport, lots of words. probably going to cut it out. Like these kind of things would be really awesome to have on my pages. This is a cut apart sheet with a luggage on the back. Here's another paper from that paper pad. This is from Scenic Route Paper Company. I really miss Scenic Route. I love their stuff. This is 2003, but I felt like this was close enough, felt travelish to me. And then I pulled in two other papers from Close to My Heart that I had in my stash from their Cats and Bats collection. So, you know, a Halloween themed, but I liked the orange, and then I liked this black on black stripe, so, or gray on black stripe. So we got that. So those are all the papers and big stickers. I also have the Pink Fresh Out and About 6x6 paper pad. So we've got that going on. I have some chipboard from Passport, and as you can see, I've used some of them already. I've also pulled out this ideology from Tim Holtz that has word phrases, arrows, and some numbers. I thought that this would be awesome to throw in there. I've got this travel themed 3D foam sticker thing that came from Michael's, I believe. I have these thickers that are from American Crafts. They are subway accents, so lots of arrows and signs, and there's some airplanes there. So I thought that these would be something fun to add in. I have what's left of my thickers from Wander. Now this is 2 packs of these combined into one. This is what I have left of 2 packs of them. So I have those there. Now I have this label sheet from Pink Fresh. It's the Mix Volume 2. This is my second package of these, so this is a brand new package. Here's that Hey Mister, again with a copper color I wanted to bring in. There's that airplane again. So like I said, a lot of little things that I can bring in, even though I know I'm not going to be killing this. I have this sticker sheet from Crate Paper here and there collection. So definitely, again, some things I won't be using. I won't be using the bicycle, won't be using the cruise ship, but there are plenty of things on here that I can use. Now I pulled out these Treasure Map So Fun banners because they have just been in my stash for a while, and you're supposed to sew them onto the page. I don't know if I'm actually going to sew them, but I really liked some of the designs for banners, so I pulled those. I also pulled these Jelly Bean Soup Sightseeing Stew. Now this is from 2014, and it does have a creamy background, but there are things like airplanes and globes and geotags and travel words that I thought would go well. Here's another partially used sticker sheet from Simple Stories Urban Traveler. Just like a few little things left on here. This one I might try to completely use up because really there's only a few little things. I also pulled in these Wild Asparagus borders and tabs. Does anybody miss Wild Asparagus? I do. So Wild Asparagus is my mind's eye, and I thought that the red and the blues and even this like khaki color would go great. Maybe not the florals, but maybe, you never know. I also pulled in this partial border sticker sheet from Fancy Pants. Again, I pulled it for the 2 striped ones. Will I use the heart ones? We'll see. We'll see. I can't say no. Can't say no. Now these are Amy Tangerine stickers. Let's go. There are 2 packs of these on here. Now I probably won't use the potty people, but there are definitely other things that I would like to use on these photos. I have, well, this one came out. So I have these Go See Explore layered stickers, and they actually have a cut through them right here, and I purchased them this way from Tuesday Morning. They had a bigger discount because this one and this one was cut as well. There's a couple little things that I could use from this. I just pulled these out because I want to see if I can use them up. I have these metal embellishments from Jolie's Boutique that I definitely would like to get some of these used up. Now I've used some of them already. I have one little word left from this pink paisley packet that says travel, and it's got some gold in the cork, so we'll see if we can use that up. This came from another Kill a Kit. I still have 6 orange stars, so definitely want to use that. I have these pieces from Studio 40. Already used one, but I can punch out the luggage and also this ticket and use those. And then here is that Hey Mr. Brad set that goes with the other things that I pulled out. So obviously this is all very usable. Again, a couple little things that I won't even attempt to use for this kit, like the dog and the dude's face, but so much going on there. I have the pink fresh puffy stickers for out and about. Also have pink fresh out and about die cuts and frames and tags. So I had all of those. Now I also have, now told you guys, this is a big kit. So I'm just gonna get those out of the way. Now I also have these Project Life cards. Don't really know if they are Project Life or what, if they are some other thing. But I really like them, and they all have travel-y connotations to them. So I'm just going to use these. So there's lots of fun things right there that I can either make pocket pages with, or I can just use them. Isn't that gorgeous? That's gorgeous. Or I can just use them, you know, on a regular layout. I have a couple of washi tapes that I pulled specifically for this kit. Now, this is an Arrow washi tape. If I can get it started, I'll give you a peek of it. Oh, washi tape, why are you giving me a hard time? Okay, it's just shredding right now. There we go. Okay, we'll just pull off that part that shred it. And then it has this. So it's like gold and black. I also have this polka dot gray and kind of this chevron-y gray. Oh, that one's shredding too. Shoot. Okay, that I have had for a long time, and I love them and almost finished using them up and then stopped because they were almost gone. So I want to use those up. I also pulled this one navy blue thin one. I don't know why, when I was just looking at washi tape, I thought, oh my word, this is perfect. So I grabbed that one. And I also have this washi tape that has lots of like ticket pieces and words and postcards and stuff like that. I thought that that would be awesome as well for this kit. So I have those washi tapes, and the only ones that I really want to use up during the month are these 2 gray ones. The other ones, there's a lot of washi tape on here, you guys, and I'm okay if I don't completely use those up. I also pulled a little bit of these glitter stars. Now, I didn't pull the whole roll, but if I need more, I mean, I have more of this in my stash, so there is that. And then I have two letter stickers, basically. I do have an entire bin of thickers, so I'm not limiting myself to only these letter stickers. I can definitely add on from my stash, but these are the ones that I have pulled to make sure that things happen with these 2 letter stickers. And then finally, I have some fun little embellishments, and I literally just went through my embellishments areas and picked out things. So I have this one paper fan. I have some ribbon that came in my Pink Fresh Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. I've got some cast-offs from my pink fresh Studio 12 by or 6x6 paper pad. I've got some die cuts and planes and hearts. I've got some chipboard and travel-y themed things. I even pulled out a couple metal rimmed tags. I have some flare badges. I have geotags. I have some wood veneer, some metals. This is metal as well. More flare, little acrylic things. I have some clouds, a globe, an ampersand, some little words. I have more clouds that say fly and high. And I have some cork tickets, and there's some words in there too. So I have a lot of stuff in this kit. And like I said, this is nowhere even near the amount of travel or airplane stuff I have in my stash. I had to stop. So there is that. This is the stack of photos. Probably not going to scrapbook all of them in the traditional sense. Probably going to throw some in pocket pages as well. But there it is, you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to click the links down below in the description for everyone that is participating in How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. And why don't you throw yourself together a kit and join us? We would love that. Love to see you using up your stash. I will see you guys real soon.